Hi Primary 6, I'm Mrs. Rania, your math teacher. Today we will talk about how to calculate lateral area and total area of a cube. Let's start our lesson, but before calculating lateral area and the total area for a cube, we have to remember something. At the beginning, the cube has how many faces? Has 6 faces. Each face in the shape of a square, so all faces are equal in area. The cube has 8 vertices and 12 edges and has 3 dimensions, which are length, width, and height. And of course, all of them are equal in length. So we could say that they are all edges or they are all sides. The volume, which we have studied before, to calculate the volume, it will be edge times itself. Our new rules, the lateral area of a cube equals area of one face multiplied by 4. Okay, what is the meaning of lateral area of a cube? At the beginning, what is the meaning of lateral area? The lateral area considered like these 4 walls around us. Okay, the walls around us considered like lateral area. But if I add the seal and the floor to them, it will be the total area. Okay, because the cube has 6 faces. These faces, we have 4 around it. These 4 are considered like lateral area. But if I put or add the seal and the floor, it will be the total area. Okay, to calculate the area of lateral area, I'll calculate area of one face, and after that I'll multiply it by 4. Okay, area of one face equals edge length multiplied by itself. After that, I'll multiply them by 4. Now I have the lateral area of a cube. Again, total area of a cube equals area of one face, but now I'll multiply it by 6. Why? Because I add the floor and the seal and the floor. So it will be area of one face times 6, which means edge times itself times 6. Do you remember the magic triangle? Okay, lateral surface area equals area of one face multiplied by 4. And the total surface area equal area of one face multiplied by 6. Okay, if I want to move between them, if I have, for example, lateral area and I want to calculate the total area, what should I do? At the beginning, I must calculate the area of one face each time. So if I have lateral area, I'll divide it by 4. Now I have the area of one face. After that, I multiply it by 6 to get the total area. While if I have the total area, I'll divide it by 6 to have the area of one face. Now I'll multiply it by 4 to have the lateral area. Okay, complete the following. Letter A cube of edge length 8 cm. Then its lateral area equals, we said, its area of one face multiplied by 4, which means edge by 4 equals 8 by 8 by 4 equal to 156 centimeters squared. And of course, it should be centimeters squared, or our unit should be squared, because here we're calculating area. Letter B, the total area of a cube of edge length 5 centimeter. We have to calculate total area, so I'll multiply area of one face times 6. It will be 5 times 5 times 6 equals 150 centimeters squared. Letter C, if the area of one face of a cube equal 8 centimeters squared, then the total area of this cube equals what? It equals area of face multiplied by 6. Here I have the area of face, which is equal 8 centimeters squared. So I multiply it by 6, it will be 48 centimeters squares. Okay, we have extra rules we have studied before to calculate the edge of any cube. Okay, if I didn't give you, or the problem didn't give you the edge of the cube, the edge length of the cube, how could I calculate it? Okay, let's see. If I have the perimeter of the base, I'll divide it by 4 to have the edge length. But if I have the volume as a given data, so I'll take the cubic root of the volume to have the edge length. While if I have the face area, I'll calculate the square root of the face area to have the edge length. Again, if I have the sum of edges, I'll divide it by 12 to get the edge length. And the final rule, if I have the total area, I'll divide it by 6 and I'll take the square root of all of this. It will be square root of total area divided by 6. Okay, let's practice on these rules. Letter D. If the perimeter of one face of a cube equals 24 centimeter, then its total area equals how much? Okay, here I have a perimeter, so I must divide the perimeter by 4 to have the edge length. It will be 24 divided 4 equals 6 centimeter. Now calculate the total area. It will be h times 6, which means 6 by 6 by 6 equal to 116 centimeters squared. Letter E, the length of the cube's edge whose total area is 150 centimeters square. I have here the total area. So I'll start by dividing it by 6 to have the area of one face. So it will be 150 divided 6 equal 25 centimeters squared, which means equals the area of one face. Now, to calculate the edge length, it will be the square root of the area of one face. It will be equal to square root of 25 equals 5 centimeter. Letter F, if the lateral area of a cube equals 64 centimeter square, then its volume equals how much? I have here the lateral area. So I must divide it by 4 to calculate the area of one face. Now it will be 64 divided 4 equals 16 centimeters squared. To calculate the edge length, I'll calculate the square root of the area of one face. It will be square root of 16 equals 4 centimeter. Now the volume equals what, or the rule of the volume? It equals edge times edge times edge, which means equal 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64 centimeter cubic. And of course, remember to calculate the volume, the unit must be cubed, okay, not squared. Example 2, if the edge of the cube is 4 centimeter, find the lateral surface area and the total surface area. We said before, lateral surface area equals edge times 4 equals 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64 centimeters squared. Okay, example number 3, total surface area, calculate area face multiplied by 6 equals h times 6 equals 4 times 4 times 6 equals 96. Now, example number 3, if the sum of edge of a cube is 84 centimeter, find its lateral surface area and total surface area. Edge length, I'll calculate, how can I calculate the edge length? It will be sum of edges divided by 12. So it will be 84 divided 12 equals 7 centimeter. Lateral surface area equals h times 4. It will be 7 times 7 times 4 equal 196 centimeters square. And the total surface area we said before, h times 6 equals 7 times 7 times 6 equal 294 centimeter square. Okay, exercise number 4. If the perimeter of one face of a cube is 20 centimeter, find its lateral and total surface area. I'll start by calculating the edge length. How? By dividing the perimeter by 4, it will be 20 divided 4 equal 5 centimeter. Now I have the edge length. I'll use our rules to calculate the lateral surface area. Edge by 4 equal 5 by 5 by 4 equal 100 centimeter square. Total surface area equals edge times 6 equal 5 times 5 times 6 equal 150 centimeter square. The last example, exercise 5. If the edge of the cube equals the length of an equilateral triangle, which its perimeter equals 18 centimeter, Find the lateral surface area and total surface area. Okay, at the beginning, equilateral triangle, it means all the sides are equal. So its perimeter equals side multiplied by 3. To calculate the side length, I'll divide the perimeter by 3. So it will be 18 divided 3 equals 6 centimeters. Now I have the side length of the triangle, which is equal to the edge of the cube. So the edge of the cube equals 6 centimeters also. Calculate now the lateral surface area. It will be h times 4. 6 times 6 times 4 equals 144 centimeters square. Total surface area equals h times 6 equals 6 times 6 times 6 equals 216 centimeters square. Please practice on this and try to solve it by yourself. Thank you all and see you soon.